Nagkaroon ini.
Imo ni.
Imo.
Ha?
Imo. Nag-snack kami kanina.
Nino.
Kami gad.
Ano mama?
Anay, nag-video na ako. Sino may ticket? Ticket. Welcome to Boeing 77, the biggest airplane in the build-up plane in Roblox. Look at this bad boy. Guys, this is the world record in build-up plane. This second floor. We have a lot of things. First, my color. Light color. Wow. Dapo daw second na airplane guys. Pag ready. Ano pa? Ano na yung una testingan. Una. Punta, good flight pini. At yan, first of the four. This is the worst of the four. Let's try in 3, 2, 1. Go! Tumira guys! Tumira guys! Good! Guys, bully guys! Get bully guys! Please, I need help. The airplane is losing balance. The airplane is going to lower. Let go. Yes. And dito. Good. Next up, the bulldozer. The bulldozer. This land. No kita. I'm big. The third plane is a helicopter thing. Let's check the side first. Oh, may pala yun. The second plane is robotics. Transmission Pagkakalaman. Ganda mo yung kailangan. You're waiting for the Boeing 77, the biggest plane in the build a plane. Thank you. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, the plane is crashing. Pink, 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 pink. May day ni alam guys, may bangga kita kausa. Milo everyday. Guys, this is the best plane in look at the plane. This is the biggest plane. Oh guys, the mga dede ang doon. Ang nabadbon. Guys, let's speed up. Yeah. 100 speed gitu guys. Mana? Please evacuate to the decam floor. Evacuate. Guys, ini na. This is this is long time to finish this build. This so long. This took 1 hour to finish. And nag-build pa to airplane. Mas dako kasi ni my third floor. Kung gusto niyo ako, like and subscribe in another video. Bye!